¡Qué bella! ¡Wow! ¡Mira qué bella! Amé el vestido de Colombia. Official Sash!
Yes! Congrats!
We official Sash!
Yes! Congrats, Pakistan!
Official, honey. Official.
Yes, congratulations, ladies. Yes. Norway. We're good. We're good. Have a nice day too. See you tomorrow. Yes. Guatemala. So beautiful. Spanish, right?
Mira qué bella. Bella. Con la cámara.
Indonesia!
Yes, this is it, Ghana. We have Malaysia, perfect. Guadeloupe, perfect, so beautiful. And Portugal. Puerto Rico, so beautiful. Paraguay. Panama, wow, Bonga.
Puerto Rico, Paraguay.
Latvia. Perfect. France. We're doing great. We're so proud of you. Victoria. So sad.
Victoria.
Nepal.
France!
Vietnam.
Vietnam and Nepal. Equatorial Guinea.
It's always beautiful.
See you. Kyrgyzstan. Vina.
Thailand, Vina, so beautiful. Perfect. Hi, Great Britain. I love your song. Yes, love. I love it. Perfect. Venezuela, Stefani.
Venezuela.
Hello, so beautiful.
This is it. Venezuela.
Hi,
Cuba.
Cuba. Bonga. Perfect. Hi, Turks and Caicos.
Tursay Caicos.
Wow. Bonga.
Beautiful.
Oh, perfect. Sada Barbie.
Doon sa Jay.
Yes. Korea. Kamsahamnida. Perfect.
India, gorgeous.
So gorgeous.
My God.
So how are you? So beautiful with your sash.
Love your gown.
Love it.
Hong Kong. You're so pretty. See you tomorrow. Namibia. Hello.
Love it.
We have your official sash, Namibia. Yes.
Croatia. Wonga.
Croatia. Oh. Wow. Miss Croatia. It's in Europe. Yes.
Wonga.
United Arab.
Slovenia.
Slovenia. See you tomorrow. Good night. Cote d'Ivoire. Ang si Atisa? Where's Atisa? Ay, talis na. Oh, wala na pala si Atisa.
Dumaan na.
Kumain na ba? Ha?
Nakasakay naman.
Wala na pala. Nakaabot ka. Sorry. Zal! Yay! Naku, nakaakyat na si Atisa. Ano ba yan? Bakit ang bilis? Oo nga, hindi pwede yan. Bakit wala naman si Atisa? Nakakaloka. Bakit ganon? Nalingap lang tayo, ni.
ยังไม่ไปเหรอแล้วแม่ก็จะกลับมา
Bye, girl! See you tomorrow! Bye, Namibia!
Good night.
Good night, Namibia!
Yes, finally siya.
United Arab, good night! See you tomorrow! Slovenia!
Good night.
Wow! Really? Wow! Good night, see you tomorrow!
Croatia!
Paano nga ulit yun?
Paano ba? Slovenia?
Slovenia.
Slovenia. Ayan!
Perfect.
Ano ba naman kasi pronunciation? Di ba Slovenia?
Slovenia.
Sabi, yung pronunciation ko daw tama.
You pronounce it correctly.
Yeah.
Saan ka sa Slovenia? Gusto ka na ko eh.
Thank you guys for tuning.
So much, guys. Ano na tayo?
Sa'yo guys,
Oh my God. So, katatapos lang natin ng session ceremony. Sorry. So, ayan. Ang bilis nila. Hindi ko nakuha si Atisa. Sorry ha. Nalingap lang kami. Don't worry, tomorrow, ibababad natin kay Atisa.
naman sila.
Yes, nakasash na.
Alam mo, iba't na yung dating ano?
Yes. Officially, so thank you so much guys. And good night na. All over the universe. Good night. Bye, Bem.
Sayang, hindi natin ano sa Atisa. Hindi ko napansin.
Di ba napansin?
Baka nung pagdating natin, nauna na sila.
Hindi. Halos lahat sila eh. Bakit si Atisa na saan?
Hindi mo nakita. Nauna siya.
Lumabas?
Kasi ito ba ni? Nauna siya. Hindi mo nga nakunan kasi
Ba't hindi mo na-
isa siya sa mga unang lumabas.
Ah, hindi mo nang pinagtatanong. Kasi walang ano, gulo, di ba? Di ba? Siyempre, in-expect ko may ano, may riot. Oh my God, Bulgaria! Wait. You have light? Here, please. Picture natin siya. How do you feel right now? You're wearing facial sash as Miss Bulgaria.
Very happy with my sash. The experience was amazing. I see the beautiful Queen Victoria and I love my organization.
Nakshit ko tayo kasi sa Bulgaria yung bang picture. Ano no? Ah, sige. Ano yun?
Siya na lang daw magsisend sa'yo.
Sige, go lang. Basta may anesthesia.
Thank you. Okay.
Ikeme mo naman kami, Mi.
Oo, kami mo naman kami. Love it.
How do you feel? You're now wearing the official sash as Miss Bulgaria.
Bye.
Ay, bye.
Are you excited for tomorrow? Wow.
Are you excited for the upcoming events here in Miss Universe? Yeah.
Wow.
Can you please sample of your introduction as Miss Bulgaria? State your name and of course the country name. Okay, 1, 2. Woo! Love it. Good night, babe.
I know
See
you're
you
tired.
tomorrow.
I know you're tired
Yeah,
already.
but you're still fresh. Oh, look at the skin.
Yes. Of course.
Photo nga. Okay, 1, 2. Bulgaria, baka naman. Alright.
Let's go here. 1, 2, 3. Again.
Oo.
1, 2, 3.
Sana ganyan din yung skin natin, no?
So much.
Why we didn't watch the sashi? Oh, sorry.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah. Maraming
Love
salamat.
you.
And mabuhay. My God, you have beautiful skin. Thank you. Yeah.
Love you. Thank you so much. Get some rest. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, Sired. The Miss Philippines we never had. Yeah, alam mo yan. Bye, guys. Oo nga, bored ako sa Atisa.